YouTube, how the heck is it going? So today we're working on the Honda one more time. It's my son's last couple of hours with us here. So we're gonna do something special. So I'm gonna teach him something really quick. We're gonna sand and maybe paint the car today. So let's get everything ready to start sanding. Since we're not gonna get all the clear off, I'm just going like this, and I'm feeling like if it's still rough and I can catch like a nail on it, I'm sanding it more until it's smooth. Alright, so we got the sanding done. He did most of it. So next, what we're gonna do is blow the car off with a compressor. Yep. Alright. So we're gonna do that. Then I'm gonna teach you guys something that I used to do when I didn't have a bottle of isopropyl alcohol or a tack rag or something like this. I'll show you guys something that I used to do because I used to be able to get it for the low back in the day. So back in my day, we used to use brake cleaner because it had alcohol in it, and it used to evaporate really fast. Back in the day, I used to get a can of this for like $1. Now they're like $4, but I have this laying around. I forgot to buy isopropyl alcohol to tack rag this down. So spray on the little rag, wipe it down, should be fine. And just like that, it's wiped down. So next, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start taping off the windows and masking everything off so we can start hitting it with spray paint. So what I want you to do is along the whole line, not on the actual paint, give me just go around the whole, like on the rubber, then onto the glass. Then we'll put the paper onto this. Spray paint these spots that went down to bare metal. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the paper along the window we're gonna do that. We're just taking a little break. So this is where we're at now. Everything's all taped up, covered up. Next is time for paint. So my son is grabbing some garbage bags to cover that wheel up, or the wheels up, so paint doesn't get on them. But it's not looking that bad right now. I got all the metal primered that was bare, and I'm gonna hit it with the paint. Everybody that wants to know, I am using the turbo cans. I could only find gloss. I wanted matte, but I'll do gloss. I wish I had matte. Alright, so all my bare metal is hit with primer. I'm gonna let it continue drying, and then we're gonna hit it with the turbo cans. Alright, I'm gonna do this first couple passes. I'm gonna start off back here. So coat one is done. Didn't do half bad. A couple spots that need to be touched up so far. This mirror is fucked. I'm gonna have to get a new mirror. Couple little runs. Ain't nothing bad. This whole door just seems off. I think the person that did this door, because it was a white door, used a weird type of paint on it. Because even when we were sanding, it was turning into like a gummy type sand, or gummy type spread. So wasn't really sanding off well. Same thing was this. I was sanding that and it was kind of awful. So this door might be shit, but everything else is looking alright. Waiting to do another coat. I'll get back to you. So this is where I'm at. It's not the best. Not the best at all. But it's there. A little bit of wet sand, a little bit of clear after. I think it'd be alright. Clear up. I'll just have to let it bake for a couple of days in the sun. But it works. Again, this mirror sucks. Fender was alright. The roof did half bad. This quarter panel is gonna need a lot of work on sanding. It just orange peeled, like really bad. And I don't think I went too heavy on it, but I'm not sure. Maybe I just went too fast. But I'm gonna call it there. We're gonna call it for a night. It's probably gonna be the last video with my son. He's going back out to his mom's tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. We love you. Later.